I'm going to show you Dual Desert Eagle's Glock 23 mechanism in detail. So basically, this is the barrel and the ejector cover. And this is the slide, which is attached to this L piece and the 5-hole thingy. But you need some gears for the trigger and stuff, of course. Works pretty well. So, once again, that's what it looks like when the barrel is tilted up. And then it is back in place.